Inspiration Restoration is a viewer-supported show. To learn more on how you can get involved and to watch extended ad-free versions of these videos, please visit our website, inspirationrestoration.com, and click the Patreon icon to support this show. Visit us on Facebook at fb.me/inspirationrestoration. Please subscribe and click the like button. Be sure to click notifications to be informed as soon as new videos are posted. We invite you to leave us your comments. Thanks again for joining us, and let's begin this episode.
Hello YouTube. Today, after some cleaning and some organization, we're going to take a look at the front forward stateroom and the forward stateroom bathroom. Still looks kind of bad, but it's a lot better than it was. So take a look at it. Still needs some more scrubbing, some more cleaning, especially, but the bathroom cleaned up pretty nice. Take a look at it. It's a couple minute long video just to give you an update how things are going. And stay tuned for some more episodes. Thanks for watching.